Hey everyone, this is CryptoCruz once again with CoinFinancial. So, man, did the market miss me or what? Because everything started going up and I just got back I just got back in action 2 days ago. so so here we are. This is the weekly chart again, but we're not really going to be looking at this weekly chart. I just thought I'd place it here for the introduction because you see that green candle forming right there. That's about to break up above this white line. We are at the beginning of the week. It is Monday, so we still have up until Sunday around 7 p.m. Central Time to close that candle. But what we're looking at is we want to close on a weekly above this white line. So we have set, 7 days, 6 days to close, right? So, but we're going to look at a much shorter time frame and look at what's happening. We broke through. So what I see actually, let's look at a even shorter time frame because I want to draw this right here. So what we actually have, I'm going to make it bigger. What we actually have is, let's see. Whoa. Huh. Interesting. All right. What we actually have is this symmetrical triangle that I see, right? If we could draw it, probably most likely draw it here all the way to here, right? And then here, actually, that's a better touch point right there to there. As you can see, somewhat of a symmetrical triangle. And what happened was we broke up and then went back down to retest that level and then bounced and went up, right? And on a much smaller symmetrical triangle as well, if we zoom in even more on the 30, we have another one. Actually, like we can even go into 15. We have another smaller one, right? All of this is just patterns, guys. We have another smaller symmetrical triangle, right? Oh, right here and here, right? And then, oops, why I keep doing that? Right around there, touch points. There. That's actually not even a symmetrical triangle. It's more of an ascending triangle, right? As you can see, maybe we could even draw it like this. That is more of an ascending triangle. Maybe that's why we broke to the upside, because we can even draw it like that. Look at that. So that is an ascending triangle, which is a bullish signal, usually breaks to the upside, and that's actually what we did. And now what we're seeing here is this white line here. And if we zoom out, that is our falling wedge, right? If we zoom back out to the weekly, that is our falling wedge. You see that? Now you see the zooming in and zooming out, how helpful it is. And then if we zoom back in, there it is. That is actually our falling wedge. And now we're forming a bull flag right here, right? So what I believe is we're not done going up. We're going to keep going up to that, to test that resistant line at around 20,400, 20,500 level, right? We're going to keep going up to the 20,400, 20,500 level and retest that resistant line. What we want to look for is a break. We want to break above that resistant line. And Sunday, this coming Sunday, when the candle closes, we want to close above that, right? And then we'll go from there for next week. But right now, that's what we're looking at. Hopefully, we don't get rejected from it, because there is a chance we get rejected. And if we do get rejected from that line, guess what, guys? We're going to go back down and retest the bottom of the wedge, right? Let's zoom back out so you can see it more. Whoa, look at that. Zoom back out so you can see it more. If we get rejected, oh no, I don't think we're gonna retest that bottom of that wedge, because remember I told you that there is a higher chance that we're actually at the bottom already. So we may actually just go down and retest some of these resistant line right here. I mean support line right here. Okay, so what I do see playing out, or what's a good the good news that I see, right? I just erased that. I'm gonna go ahead and erase this, because that's actually not even our falling wedge. Our falling wedge is somewhere way well below down here. You see it, there it is. Okay, so the good news is, remember when I said there is a bearish sentiment on the daily chart? Look, we're already forming that green candle. So if we break that bull flag, we're going to 20,450, somewhere around there. Just we're gonna retest that level when we break that bear flag, bull flag, sorry. Anyways, back to the 1 day. The 1 day chart, remember what, 2 days ago, I believe it was 2 days ago, right? We were actually I'll zoom in some more. 2 days ago we were actually right here when I created that video, right? We're actually right here and we were forming that red candle, right? And then the Bollinger Band is pointing right down, and that's what I said, that's the only bearish signal that I really see, because we could break down because of the Bollinger. But guess what, guys? Since we broke out of this symmetrical triangle, since we broke out of that and went up, that Bollinger's changed sentiment, and now it's trying to curve in. I'm gonna draw where's my brush? The Bollinger, what it's trying to do right here is trying to curve in, right, and form a squeeze. Okay, now if this candle right here, if we can get above it, if we can go and get above this orange line, right, and be right here, right, then we're gonna be at the upper end of this squeeze, which is very, very bullish. All right, and we're talking about the daily chart, so this is not even that short term. Okay, so that is a good news. And guess what, guys? If that happens, I shouldn't have squiggled too much. Now I gotta erase all this crap. So if that happens, guess what? We are on our way. Look at that, the squeeze that I drew. If that happens, we will be on our way to breaking this, and we will be going up to form, if we do break this and close on a weekly, right, we're gonna go up and form that Wyckoff accumulation pattern that I've been talking about, that formed over here. Okay, it'll be perfect, right? And we could head to 30K to form that Wyckoff accumulation pattern. All right, now what I like to see, right, not just Bitcoin, if we zoom back in, right, everything's breaking to the upside, the squeeze breaking to the upside. What I like to see is pretty much all the market is pointing to the upside. Chili's has had its run, it's been going up, so it's not going up as much, but everything else, like for example, let's say Mina Protocol, right, it's breaking to the upside. There's a lot of trades to be made here. Okay, let's see Mana, right? Let's see what Mana's doing. That is actually against Bitcoin. So here's what it is. The altcoin is not moving as fast as Bitcoin, but everything is going up. This is the reason why this is down, because this is against Bitcoin. What I wanted to show y'all is actually the US dollar. There it is. Mana is going up also. See, everything's going up. It's just not as fast as Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is king right now, and it's gaining dominance. Celsius going up, everything's going up. XRP stagnant, Of course, it's XRP. But hey, so it looks like the lawsuit is coming to an end. So that is actually a good news for XRP. If XRP win this lawsuit, that's actually good for the crypto market, right? So I'm not a fan of XRP, but I'm rooting for them because if the SEC loses this lawsuit, it just legitimizes everything and all the altcoins and everything, and I believe that's gonna give us a nice pump, especially with XRP, right? So even Engine, look at that, Engine's going up. So everything is going up, guys, in the market. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. Everything's going up, which is good sign. Again, I believe we have a little bit more to go until we hit the resistant line, but let's just this is just a quick video. Let's keep an eye out on that. I just wanted to give you all a nice quick market update. All right, until next time. Also read the description down below, and if you want me to trade for you, if you don't have time to trade or learn how to trade and you want me to trade for you, I trade for a company. I'm a professional trader for a company in Liberium crypto. You can click on the link below to get more information about it, and also to follow me. If you follow me, then every trade that I execute will automatically execute for you in the exchange of your choice. You do not send us any of your trading funds. You keep all of your trading funds in the exchange of your choice. You set it via API keys, and I every time I place a trade, my own trade, it automatically places the same trade for you. Okay, so with that said, until next time, read the disclosure down below. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. All right, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get up to date with all the latest videos that I post. Thank you.